Shape it up, a fun adventure with shapes. In a world full of colors and wonders, there are shapes waiting to be discovered. Come along on this amazing adventure, where we'll meet the shapes that make everything so fun and exciting. Are you ready? Let's go. In a land filled with playful shapes, the sun is shining brightly as our adventure begins. The shapes are dancing, and we're about to meet some of them. Look over there! It's a circle, round and full of energy. Can you feel how fun it is to be round? It rolls, spins, and never stops moving. Then, we spot a triangle, sharp and proud, with 3 strong points. It stands tall, showing its strength. And there's a square with 4 perfect sides, sitting quietly, full of balance. Wow, what a sight! We continue walking, and what do we see next? New shapes, ready to join the fun. Look at the rectangle. It's tall and proud, just like a building in the sky. And there's a diamond, sparkling like a hidden treasure waiting to be found. It glows, shining brightly. What about the oval? Oh, it's like an egg, gently rolling by, round and smooth. It's so cool! We're having such a great time. The adventure is getting more exciting as we come across shapes we've never seen before. What's this? A group of special shapes waiting for us. An octagon, 8 sides, spinning in perfect harmony, just like a spinning top. And look over there, a pentagon with 5 sides, so full of energy. It's hopping around with excitement. Then there's a hexagon, spinning with 6 sides, perfectly symmetrical, a true work of art. This shape world is full of surprises. The journey takes us into the sky, where magical shapes float through the air. These shapes are different, but they are just as amazing. Look, a shining star with 5 sparkling points. It's twinkling bright, lighting up the sky like a beacon of joy. And there's a heart, glowing with love, floating softly in the air, making everything feel warm. What's that? A crescent moon, gently glowing in the night sky, so calm and peaceful. We've met so many incredible shapes on this adventure. Everywhere you look, shapes are there floating, spinning, and playing. Look around, can you see the shapes in the light? They're always here, and they make the world so special. The more you look, the more you'll find. The adventure is over. But don't worry, shapes are everywhere. In your world, in your home, in your games. You'll always find new shapes to explore. Keep looking, keep playing. And remember, shapes are all around you, making everything a little more fun. Now you know about shapes. Every day is a new adventure. So let's keep having fun, discovering shapes and shaping our world. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.